Dr. Kevin Kroger with the U.S. Geological Survey joins us. Dr. Kroger, the USGS, you're looking into ways to store more CO2 in our oceans. What are the benefits for this?
It turns out that that wetlands, including salt marshes and mangroves, they naturally remove CO2 from the atmosphere and export a lot of it to the ocean as in a form of carbon called bicarbonate, which is alkaline, and it counters some of the ocean acidification. There's a second way, which is an approach to accelerate natural rock weathering. So rock weathering is a reaction in which rainwater mixes with carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, producing a weak acid. This acid then reacts with alkaline rocks in the Earth's crust. That produces, again, bicarbonate, a form of alkalinity that increases the alkalinity of the ocean.
So how are the USGS doing and researching these various projects to figure out not only how to capture more CO2 in the ocean, but to do it without raising the acidity?
One of the ways is by examining the rates and the processes by which natural ecosystems export bicarbonate to the ocean. So the salt marshes and the mangroves. If we identify degraded wetlands and restore them to a healthy condition, do they export more of this beneficial form of carbon that will be then stored in the ocean for extended time? And secondly, the question is, if we take these alkaline rocks crushed into a very fine material and we add them to an environment like this, to a salt marsh or to a mangrove, can we accelerate the rate at which that rock dissolves and increase the rate at which this beneficial form of carbon, bicarbonate, is exported to the ocean?
Now, I think of having the oceans absorb CO2 as like burying our problems. Is it more of a temporary solution until we can better reduce our emissions here above the sea level?
The emissions definitely need to be reduced. We can't capture enough carbon from the atmosphere to offset ongoing really high rates of emissions.
All right, Dr. Kevin Kroger with the USGS, thanks for joining us today.
Thanks very much. Thanks for having me on.